它有找，那边是搞平衡的嘛，它是搞这个主要的目的是一个啥子？是一个保护的可以嘛？去个那个。
And this road going up, and this road going down here. See this one here?
This is a lot of investment, right?
This going up, and this one going down here.
Oh, okay, going down.
Okay.
Okay. 啊，这个没有，它这个是，它这个它是叫你包看，你是包看这个的。
See this material?
这个地方也是起包看，
This
没说
material all
flat，
flat like this.
看没有？
Okay.
啊，就是我们说的包看。
城堡一样。
啊？
城堡一样。
不是，
修的围栏。
是，它不是把这个搞平了。
它就是要修成那种台子嘛。
啊，这个台阶子有台阶噻。哦，这工作量大得很，嘎。
This will be high and this will be high, so it will be flat here all the way there. Okay? So this here valley, see this valley here? And there's another valley here coming down. See the valley from down? Here. See?
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh
yeah.
yes, we see that.
See valley?
Valley.
Okay. Oh, okay.
Valley for water.
Oh, for water. Okay.
Water coming from then come here. There will be a collection water here.
Okay.
Will be like, for example, 6 tank here.
Oh, okay. 6 tank.
For rain, when rain comes, full the water.
Oh, okay. Just stock the water.
Stored water.
For storing water.
Yeah. So water, then you can fish.
Yeah, not for fishes there.
Okay. Because with water you can fish.
No, for the water, if water is not enough water, we'll use it.
Okay.
Okay, for reserving water. You know what I mean, reserve?
Reserve? What do you mean?
I mean just collect water, if there is no water, we'll use it for...
Oh, okay. For watering system.
Yeah. This is not system, this work in case, like for example, the well, there's no water in the well.
Oh, okay. I
We'll
got
use
it.
it from this one.
他说，假如说水井里的水啊不够了，他就用这个储存的水来
Here will be fish in this area.
啊
Fish.
fish. Okay.
And that one after the crane will be fish.
Okay.
Same with greenhouse.
Yeah, with the greenhouse, but this first phase and the second phase there.
Okay.
The fish also use greenhouse
Yeah,
cover.
greenhouse because it's a neat corner.
他这个哦，他肯定是一点投资的一些。
From here all the way that the greenhouse. So just we are cleaning now.
啊，这个老头子喜欢折腾。
Yeah.
I got it. 他喜欢折腾，我是这老头子。
So this was low 6 meters down. We leveled it now.
Okay.
Leave it.
This was low down.
Oh,
Yeah.
down before very low, right?
Yeah, and then just now we level. Okay.
Okay.
啊，这个土，
这块
它这个稍微出一点高度，而且石头倒就是你看嘛，我们这个
Very nice.
里面非常多石头，看到没有？
嗯。
还不知道我说啥子，看这没啥子。
All this will take it out. All we'll take
Okay.
it out.
来举行为是。种的蔬菜。
这边
种的树。它的 greenhouse，它这儿都用了2.5米工具了，这是他们
当地人建的。
哦，当地都是各岛型。
这石榴吗？有点像石榴。